Do you have a present for me?
Mm-hmm.
You do? What's your present?
Some cake.
Some cake? Where is it?
There?
In your diaper?
No.
Is it chocolate cake?
Uh-huh. It's right there on the table.
Did you make that yourself?
Come on, man. Video me.
Hold on. You can't see yourself because it's not on you. Okay. Whoa.
Hey.
All right. We're not. Uh-oh. We have a little
Get him away from you.
technical difficulties here. No, that's Nick's fist. There's a bloodbath going on here. Ugh. Nikki?
Die! Ah, blood track!
Joe's violent. Are you violent, Nikki? Nikki, are you a lover or a fighter?
Fighter.
A fighter? Whoa.
Hey!
No.
Hey, stop it! Nick, stop!
Okay, I can't.
Oh,
Nick, can I?
big blood!
It's a vampire getting you. Nikki, what do you think about all this?
Cool. Want $10?
Yes, I want $10.
Okay.
Hey, this is a family video. No bad language, please. Nice.
Dinosaur.
Okay, I can see now we're
Dino! Fart! Dino! Fart! There you go.
So proud.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Is this hush money?
Here comes the T-Rex! Whoa!